What's up, everybody? Mike here, and we are doing something that I should probably done the first day that I did this car at home. Well, the first day I brought the car home. Should be the first thing I did when I brought the car home. Let me just put it that way. So right now, this is my van, 270,000 miles, and doing spark plugs. So let's see what they look like. So this right there is one of the spark plugs, and they are Motorcraft plugs. Very likely that these have not been replaced in a very, very long time. They look pretty crusty, and well, we're about to see how they all work. So let's go get this part back up here. Yeah, I'd say these have had all the life drained from them. Now, if this was, I don't know, anything different that didn't have plenum to take off, this would be probably some of the easiest spark plugs in the world to do. But man, these things have a massive, massive gap. I don't even know how this thing is running. So right now we're doing the other side. So you're still kind of aimed at the passenger side of the van. And for now I'm taking out the, I guess this is like one side over here. I'm just glad to see so far they're all Motorcraft plugs, which means nobody did any shady stuff and decided to do just 3 plugs. And so now we're taking these other 3 out, and once I get all 6 of them out, then we'll compare them to the new plugs. That one looks worse than any of them because it has a lot of rust on it. So now we're at the final plug. And I'm just happy that they all seem to have unscrewed with some ease. Now, I don't know if spark plugs can live 200,000 miles, but if they can, these have definitely seen it. I mean, these spark plugs, let's just take a quick peek. That's what they look like. Now let me go grab one of the new ones. All right, now I have my 6 new MGK spark plugs. And let's see if we can see the difference. Like a huge amount of difference in those 2 plugs. So we're still going to put back in iridiums, and the ones that came out of it are platinums. So I'll hope that being iridium is not going to hurt it over platinum. This van should run much better. All right, so work these all down. So I do 35 Newton meters on my spark plugs on every single car, regardless of which car it is.